Good morning, everyone. A wonderful and beautiful London morning. Well, what we're seeing right now, besides the Starship Enterprise, is that we are consolidating for now. And this is Nasdaq. And ES also made a historical high yesterday. So that was really interesting. And that's it. That's it. Which interests me, and I'm in a small short position, is that when we went through the 18,000 level, we didn't really have a retest of this level. I mean, usually it retests it, at least it pops at least once, but now it didn't, so that's kind of strange. And so I don't know. Joey, hey there, good morning. First applause to you. How you doing, man? How you doing? So we had no retest, which doesn't mean it's mandatory that it has to retest it. But anyway, I had my signal according to my system, my trading model. So I just entered the trade. I'm in a little bit of drawdown still, but I want to see 18K to be retested because it hasn't been since yesterday PM session. Maybe we will get it, maybe it will just burst higher, who knows. But for now, yeah, that's the Starship Enterprise. But for now, that's my angle, and we'll see how it goes. I was checking the 4-hour too, but there's so far nothing to be seen. We do have fair value gap down there, so that might be helpful. I don't know, not sure. We don't have any news today, so no news driver. Very educational. Yeah. Thank you, Joey. I take that as a real compliment. Hold on just a second. Hey Kidnesh, just a phone call. Bobby, hey there, morning. Can't sleep? Oh, well, don't worry about that. So, nobody can sleep. Actually, for me, my time, it's 8:40 in the morning, so I'm cool with that. Anyway, yesterday, ES also made a historical high, and nobody has ever been here before. Only the Starship Enterprise. Okay? So anyway, that's why I put this here. It's very educational to remind everyone that this is uncharted territory. Nobody has ever been here in deep space here before above 5108. So I don't know what's gonna happen. The same goes for Nasdaq above 18,121. Nobody has been before, so only the Starship Enterprise. Yes. All right. I'm so bad in this. Anyway, my goal this morning, I had a signal on my entry model as well, and my goal is to retest the 18K level, and I'm gonna show you why. I'm sorry I'm hopping all over. I'm gonna zoom it out for you on the 15-minute. Just give me a quick minute here, or an hour. So if we look at the 18,000 level, yesterday it pierced through it, but it hasn't really retested it. Actually, it left a fair value gap. It's not a big one, only a few points, but the 18K level has not been retested on the 15-minute. But this is not the reason why I jumped in. I just got a signal to go short. Maybe I'm wrong. Nobody knows where the market is going, but it aligned with my strategy, my entry model. I had a good target to try to test the 18K. If it dips down here, it's good. If not, then you know, we're just gonna wait for the next one. Today I might not going to trade the Russell. The reason because of that is that it's Friday, so I try to trade less. Well, it's hard to say less because we trade what we can, right? But I might not going to trade the Russell. By the way, it's still a very good discount today on Apex and BULENOX too, but I'm favorizing Apex as much as I can because they have very good back office and help and payout policy. Everything overall, it's very good. BULENOX also has a very good sale if it's still on. So Joey, we first need to go down retest before we can go up again. Yeah, that's what I would like to see as well. I'd like to see a retest of the 18K level. There were no retests. And as I said, we are in uncharted territory up here. That doesn't mean it just can't shoot up straight, especially after London Open. But yesterday, in the PM session, it did not manage to retest the 18K. So, you know, it lined up with my entry model as well. And so, yeah. Tom, I have set up Apex. I had traded away before on TOPSTEP, but blew up. You blew up your TOPSTEP account. Oh, I had traded away before. Yeah, Apex is cool. Do I set up new code for trade weight? What do you mean by that? Do I set up new code for trade weight? If you, I think, I mean, if you trade with the tops, I mean Apex through trade weight, I think you should be able to log in with the credentials they gave you in email. With Apex, I never traded through TradeAwait. I only traded with the Rhythmic connection with the Quantower and NinjaTrader. I only use TradeAwait at meaning I have a new password. Yeah, so you use that. If they send it to you, use that code to enter TradeAwait. I was only trading TradeAwait with TOPSTEP, but since then, because I'm using the Rhythmic, I never tried TradeAwait with Apex. But that being said, yeah, use that entry. Use that entry, Kidnash. I think, I mean, that should be the one you should go with. So, it's Friday. Be careful, everyone. I'm ready for everything. I hope I'm not going to end up deep in the red, but this week, all of my trades, which I took, the first trades were almost all of them were losses. So this is my first trade, already in the drawdown. And you know, what can I do? So this is how I start the day. I lose a trade, and then I'm suffering and I'm sweating all day until the PM session to dig myself out of the hole. That was every day, almost every day from Monday, really. No, Monday not, because it was partially open, but throughout all week I was doing the same thing. I was losing in the morning and I was sweating all the way to the afternoon to dig myself out of the hole. And so it's a good strategy for you guys. If I take a trade, my first trade, you should just take the opposite. You should be fine, you know. Also, I can use them whenever correct. Also, I can use them whenever correct. I don't have to make them live. Yeah, of course. Of course. So, yeah, you don't have to. If you just, I don't know if, I mean, for example, yeah, you log in, for example, here on TradingView. You connect it with TradeAwait. You get the data, you get the feed, and you can still use the paper trading account, and you don't have to place live trades if that's what you're asking. But yeah, or you don't even have to do live trades. Of course, you don't have to. But I think Apex doesn't have a practice account, but maybe you can open a sim account with TradeAwait, I think. I may get 2 more for Rhythmic. Well, you know, it's your decision, Kid Nash. Your decision. I wasn't reading. No, what I mean is, if I purchase a few, can I leave them on the shelf? Yes, you can leave them on the shelf, but I actually did the same. So I purchased a few ones when there was, last time in November or October was a very good sale in Apex. But the time is, you know, clicking or ticking, sorry. And so you're gonna get rebuild after 30 days. Don't forget that. You're gonna have a rebuild. So it's best if you take some trades, if you can. But if you pass the accounts and you activate them, you can leave them on the shelf as long as you want. You don't have to trade them if you already got a few of those funded. At 80% off. The first month is 90% off, which is basically a gift. So that's a very good price. And of course you can leave them on the shelf. I think there is no minimum days in Apex on the evaluation account. You're gonna get rebuild anyways if you don't pass it, but 80% is going to be the rebuild. First month is 90%, recurring months are 80%. It's still a good deal, by the way. The accounts which I blown back in November, or it was November, I did not cancel the accounts. I just waited for them to rebuild because it was still a very good price. So I'm advising anyone to practice this, because you still get the good deal despite if we have a sale or not. You will still have a very good deal for that account. They're going to reset your account for the discount price, so that's very good. I would go with that. Nasdaq Dragon. Elite Trader fronting, I get to keep 90%. Yeah, well, there are lifetime discounts as well. For example, my funded futures, if you're a brand new customer, I just realized it yesterday because I was in a mix-up, because I know I had referred a few of my friends and I didn't get, for example, affiliate code, but I'm saying that the affiliate commission, but that's not the problem. The deal is, if you want to be a brand new customer, for example, at my funded futures, this is how you do it. You have to click an affiliate link, for example, my link, of course. You have to click the affiliate link, use the code TOPSTEP, and you get, I think, a 24% discount for your starter account. I think they still have the 24% discount. And I'm not sure about that, but I think there is no activation fee until the end of February. So if you're a brand new customer, your first account is going to get with a very good discount, and it's going to be a lifetime discount. So even if you just register with the link through my link, you should be all right. Anyway, I'm gonna be doing a video, by the way, about my funded futures, maybe over the weekend. I was thinking to enter a competition on my funded futures. It's gonna be very interesting, so I'm gonna be talking about the competition. I'm not going for, it's not about the price, or sorry, the prize, but I'm curious how far can I get. They are going to give a 10k account to everyone, and I can use the maximum drawdown, so I can put the account down to 0 if I want to. That's gonna be interesting. 25k accounts is where it's all for Apex. Yeah, yeah. For example, if you're going with the 25k accounts, and if you want to make sure you pass some of them, you can buy quite a lot. Yeah, the best combo for budget was dialing the Elite Trader, 90% of lifetime. Take Profit Trader, 50k's for 102 Apex right now. Yeah, but the cheapest upfront cost is right now at Apex, and also on BULENOX as well. Also, BULENOX has a good one. BULENOX has a little bit strict payout policy. You have to, first you have to make 30 on the starter. Sorry, on the 50k account you have to make 3,600 for your first payout, because the minimum payout is $1,000, but you have to leave the threshold or the safety cushion on your account, which is $2,600. So that makes it $3,600. So you can only take a payout from BULENOX when you reach the $3,600. That's when you can take your first payout. So that's a little bit strict, but you know, what can you do? It is what it is. I told you guys my first trades are like this. I can't do anything with this right now. It's gonna take me out most likely. It's very close. It should be taking out the high at 51 or 2. I'm not sure anymore. But BULENOX does, yeah, they don't. So if you go with BULENOX, you should be comfortable with the Quant Tower or Ninja Trader. Yeah. If I ever use Ninja Trader, it'll be with AI. What? Oh yeah. Yeah. So BULENOX has a very good price as well, but no trade await. I mean, you can't connect it through here. But actually, my goal with BULENOX is, I mean, the payout policy doesn't really, how should I say, it doesn't really bother me that much, because the goal for me is to take all the accounts to above 3k after getting funded. That's my goal, is take all the accounts above 3k. So I don't have a problem with their payout policy in that matter. On the contrary, I think it's absolutely no problem. Okay, this trade is gonna take me out. It's pretty much straightforward. It's just going up. I don't think it's gonna go down the elevator. First, it's gonna take out that high. My stop loss is just at this high, so 52. My stop loss is right there at 52. I'm gonna, where's my stop? Oh, there you go. So that's it. I'm gonna get taken out from this position. Unfortunate, but it is what it is. I'm gonna be trading only with Nasdaq, hopefully. If I see a very good A+ entry on Russell, I might take it, but I'm gonna stay with NQ as much as I can for the rest of the day. If I were you, my first day of trading will be sometime this year with the stupid simple combo algo. Oh, okay. So the Discord. Oh, really? It's up for sale online. Google MNQ MS stupid simple combo. All right, I'll look after that. Going to put those two bots to trade 250k. Okay, okay. That's interesting. Keep us updated. I'm curious how that goes. I tried these kind of trading robots way back, but you know, anyway. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. It was just a business call. Anyway, let me update. He showed me the stats. Freaking $250,000 a year. Oh my god. Okay. Plus he has manual featured. Okay. That's nice. Keep us updated, man. What is the site? That's very cool, man. That is awesome. But be careful with these bots. You know, you can never know. You can never know. By the way, there is another entry based on the system I use. There was another entry right here. Right there was another short entry. I'm not saying it's gonna go short, but there was a short entry right there. I don't know what it wants to do. I thought that it's gonna take me out on this rally, but for now it's just went down again. I have no idea what's the plan right now. I'm watching the Russell, but I'm not really willing to trade it. So by the way, DX12, good morning to you as well. Can you guys please push the like button and subscribe to the channel? We're getting closer to 1,000 subscribers. That's gonna be a game changer for me. So I'm so glad that we're getting close day by day, and I'm very, very grateful for you guys for all the support and the subscriptions. So thank you. I'm really looking forward for this year. We're gonna have so many good sessions on here on YouTube. So oh man, I don't know what this trade is gonna do. If you're curious what system I use, what is my exact entry model, go for pip.ninja. There's a 5-minute video there. The audio quality sucks. I know. I'm gonna record it again. First time here, FX Entropy. Hey there. Let me give you an applause as a new viewer, and please subscribe. Please, I'm begging you. I'm begging you. Thank you so much for being here anyway. So my exact entry model is at pip.ninja. There's a mini course. Yes, I'm doing mini course. Yes. This, how I entered, is detailed. Is explained in detail on my mini course, how I entered the trades. I personally can't. Hey, don't worry about that, Nasdaq. I'm not saying this. If you guys cannot afford it, don't worry about that. I'm sharing all I can here on not just about the mini course. It's $49, but you can also get the Discord access. But guys, please don't take it on yourself. If you can't afford it, I'm here on YouTube. I'm gonna helping you out. And sub and thumb up. Thank you so much. So I'm gonna be here, and I am respecting everyone. Even if you can't afford it, it's completely fine. I'm gonna be doing some giveaway, not today, maybe next week, about the mini course and Discord, and maybe I'm gonna do account giveaways next week, because I have to count everything together, and maybe there's gonna be some giveaways, maybe. But I'm gonna announce it in a YouTube video and Twitter, sorry, X as well. So guys, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be great. So I'm explaining everything in details. I keep my track record as transparent as I can do it. I do have accounts which I'm not showing to anyone, but I decided to group trade 3 of these evaluation accounts. I'm having a funded account too with TOPSTEP, but I decided I'm going to show these evals to YouTube. Oh, look at that, what's happening. So yeah. And by the way, this is the way I copy trade positions. If someone is asking what I'm doing, these are the positions I'm in right now. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. So I have my funded futures account, a BULENOX, and an Apex account, and only with 2 micros, 60 something dollars per each right now. So I'm in the trade, and that's it. You can chat with the creator. This algo. Okay, great. Tom, I just want to know, do you get payouts? I got a payout from TOPSTEP this week, Monday. I requested not too much, $300. 300. I had 1,000. I'm gonna actually connect. You hold on. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show only $300, but January I didn't have. I had to redo. I'm gonna connect. Okay. I'm going. I couldn't get a payout because I had to redo my accounts, because I formed a company, and TOPSTEP told me that they cannot pass my credentials under a new registration. So I made funded accounts on my under my private name, but partially because of tax purposes, I formed a company, small company here, and Reagan just banned me from there. Reagan just banned me from there. What? Has too many questions. Oh, what? So right now, what I can show you. Let me show you the accounts tab. I have a TOPSTEP account right here. This is an Express funded account, and it says $1,000 because I had 300 something on it, and I just withdrew that. Otherwise, I'm not trading this account right now because you know, it's since December, as you can see. It's December, Express December, but otherwise, I'm not taking payouts yet. I had to start over in January, actually the end of January, to rebuild my portfolio. I have some reasons for that, which here I'm not sure I want to explain, but yeah, I had to start over. All right, we had this drop here, but now it's just going back up again. So I was almost happy that this account, this trade is gonna break the curse that my first trades are ending up in a loss all week. I got banned from thinking TS scammed me. Oh, on the recent sale when I couldn't log into what? Elite Trader Funding does that? Tom, sorry to bother you again. Yeah, no problem. I was wondering if I choose trade await, not rhythmic. I can I don't use Ninja. Correct. Yeah. So if you choose trade await and not rhythmic, you cannot go with the Ninja, I think. If you can use TradingView, yeah. So if you choose trade await, you should be able to connect it to TradingView, because yes. So for example, here it says paper trading. I'm going to log out. If you have trade await, it should be here somewhere. I'm just blind, don't worry. Where's trade await? Should be here. Was it here? When yeah, okay, here it is. Trade await. There you go. So you can just log in with your trade await credentials, and that's it. Should be fine. You should be fine. I left some naughty gifts on the Discord, really. You're interested in that? Okay, you guys can do some extra profit with that, but today my first trade was a loss. Well, it usually happens. I'm not even surprised anymore. Oh, Starship Enterprise. All right. I'm not even surprised anymore. What is ES doing? Okay. That's also an indicator. Starship Enterprise. No one has, you know, Starship is in a place where no one has ever been before. Only the Starship Enterprise. That's why I know it's an all-time, it's in deep space. So, that's an indicator. Okay, it seems like it's turning back on me. What a morning, what a morning. I thought that it's gonna retest this low right here, but it surely has a problem with that. It can still do it on the 3-minute if it wants to, or maybe on the 5-minute. It has a fair value gap a little bit higher in this area. We'll see, I guess, but it has to go into my drawdown area, which I don't like. Screw the bird. We must learn this for ourselves first, bro. Well, Nasdaq Dragon says some truth there. So, I was losing a bunch of money years ago with using bots and algorithms, but I had to realize something. We are retail traders. We are dust in the wind, guys, and we have a so small chance to get our hands to an algo or a bot that really provides income. I mean, residual income, residual consistent profits from the markets, because it's just not the way like that. There are algos and robots that do that, but they are maintaining it. They have very high costs to program it. They have like rocket scientists, programmers who are maintaining those algorithms, and let's just face it, if you have a free or a few dollar worth of algorithm you buy or you use it on your account, it's highly unlikely that it's going to make you profitable in the long term. Maybe it can do some extra profits for a day or two or something, but I've never seen. First time I saw trading robots was in 2007. It was Fab Turbo for Forex. They are still doing it, and I bought EAs in 2007 and 2008 and 2009, guys. Then I tried once more in 2017. No, I haven't seen any robot that can maintain consistency that is available for us people who are hobby traders from home, right? Seems reason. Methodical Man is here, guys. I wasn't okay. Methodical Man is here. Methodical Man is here. He's a celebrity, you know, in the trading industry. He's trading. Yesterday he told us that he's actually having over 200 funded accounts, 219 or 20, with all of the prop firms in the industry, and he knows ICT in person. They used to play golf, but not really. They play tennis, with ICT, and you know, and so he's very close to the fire. Go check out his channel, Methodical Man. He's a nice guy. Has hundreds of funded accounts. He's shy. He doesn't really talks about it too much, and he knows everyone in person, all the big gurus. I think maybe he's the ghost in the machine. I don't know. Yeah, so he says SMT and stuff like that, which I don't know what the hell it is, but whatever, you know, who cares? If it makes him happy, you know, let him do that. So SMT with ES. If anyone understands that, just let me know. All right. Okay, that makes sense. You know, guys, I'm just joking. I'm this kind of guy. I have to make time pass by somehow. But still, Methodical Man is almost a neighbor of Michael Huddleston, so check him out. They play tennis together every second weekend, I think, at least once a month. Knows a lot about the market. Yes, more than 200. Put a 0 there. He's shy. Don't worry about that. He's Methodical Man is shy, but secretly he does that. I mean, he has. All right, come on. Okay, all right. For seriousness, yes. He doesn't have more than 200, but he has 24. He has 24. I was amazed yesterday. He counted together. He has 24 funded accounts. So now that Methodical Man stole my thunder, and all my viewers and everything, thank you everyone, and it was a nice year. We had a good run. The viewers are dropping, I can see that now, and yeah, thank you. I had a good run, so thank you. That's it for me. I did mine. All right. Rumor has it that Methodical Man has taken over. Yeah, since 2014. Yes, he does. He did, but he always denies it. He denies it. I took a loss on my first trade. 400 FOMO trade, but made it back on the next one. Up. You see? That's what he does. You know, he's like, I don't know how he does it. He's taking these trades like in and out, you know, jumps in, take a loss, no big deal. Next trade, he's back up plus 600 or whatever. He's back into profit. That's how he does it. He has balls. So yeah. Well, yeah. So, but he's really maintaining a great stream. He streams a lot in New York as well. He doesn't sleep too much. It's nighttime for him right now, but I like his style. A marketer, not trader. But who is a marketer? Everyone is a marketer who is on YouTube, by the way. I was just realizing this conclusion that everybody who's on YouTube is basically a marketer. So you're all marketers, and I'm especially am, because I have my mini course. Hey guys, listen. I'm a dust in the wind. I'm trying to do this channel. I just started recently. I do this full time. I have a small side income, but you know, sleep is for the weekends. Exactly, that's the dragon. So I do this full time. I have a small side income here, but I dedicated myself fully to the YouTube and fully to trading And of course, I'm trying to, diversify some income streams, and I'm trying to help out you guys as much as I can. And that's why I have a $49 mini course about my detailed entry model. Yeah, pip.ninja. Check it out. And Discord membership as well, $10 per month. From next week, we're going to be doing regular streams for Discord members only. It's going to be a little bit more personal. We're going to have voice chat and everything, activated. So we're going to be talking. Going to be interesting. Looking forward to that. Anyway, the main thing, grab your discounts today. Apex still has it. Last time they have it, it was in November or something. Stack up the accounts. Even if you blow them, just leave them, because you will still get an 80% recurring discount for the next bill, if you accidentally blow your account. That's what I did. So that video on your site says it all, Tom. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. So check out that 5-minute video. That's why I'm also doing. Anyway, you gotta create content, bro. Videos, yeah, or live stream, New York session, Monday through Friday. We're trying to sell the course like this is. Look, come on, Tom. Yeah. All right. You know what, Nash the Dragon. I'm gonna. You have a point there, but let me tell you something. And I'm gonna bring up a name who I respect. Also, he's a great YouTuber and trader. Is Cami Capital. You guys know Cami. The other day he was talking about this, and he's not afraid to admit it. Cami Capital. He said the other day, and I love the guy. I respect him really. He said that he makes around 20K per month. He said it by himself. Cami Capital said he makes about 20K per month from his YouTube and from his online, he doesn't said online courses, but his online digital products. He also has a course, as I've seen. He has a course and stuff like that. So he was saying something like he's making 20K from his online sales, including YouTube, affiliate, and the course. And he also said that the money that he makes from trading is just a small portion, is what he does, or what money he makes. So this is the amount that he said that he makes from online revenue and sales and income, and a small portion he makes from trading. And he's a great guy. I respect him deeply. I respect him for what he does. He's honest, he's transparent, and he's a good trader, by the way. Methodical Man is great, dude. You're right, Tom. Yeah, he's great. He is great. Methodical Man is great. Methodical Man helped me out with very good tips and information how I should start with the channel, how what should I do, some tips and tricks. I'm very grateful for him. And yeah, so again, yeah, everybody sells a course. It's not just because. Oh yeah. By the way, I was we were talking about this with Methodical Man. We're gonna do a joint stream. I don't know which day. We're gonna talk about it on Discord. I don't even know how to do it. Some kind of a, we should be having 2 webcams. I don't know how to do it. Methodical Man is a computer guru who will help me out, and it's gonna be a fun show. I'm gonna mock him while he's trading, and he's gonna do the opposite, and we're gonna fade each other, right? So it takes too long, I'm gonna take short, and we'll see who wins. And you guys can vote on or take bets. That's gonna be awesome. I'm the one, who. So it's gonna be great. We were talking about 20K. Kami Capital. Kami Capital. He. I remember clearly that Kami was. Kami get his followers and views without creating video content on the regular base. He lives. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly, Nasdaq Dragon. But he was also saying that he has online digital revenue, not just. Of course, he has the deal with TOPSTEP for now, but he wasn't. Last year, he wasn't having the deal with TOPSTEP, and I clearly know that also in December and November, he said that he's making way more from online digital revenue. There you go. There you go. There you go. Kemi makes 40-50K per month. And yeah, New Zealand dollar. 40-50K per month, New Zealand dollar. And I clearly remember, and you guys can ask him, he was talking about it. He's very transparent, and I'm respecting him very much. He was not an affiliate with, I mean, he was not a full-time partner with TOPSTEP at that time. And he was saying that he's making way more from online revenue and digital stuff by selling and affiliations and stuff like that than trading. I'm not saying that, you know, anyway. So yes, I did create a small mini course myself too, but I try to give value and, you know, provide value, because trading is hectical, guys. In trading, you can have a negative, not just a negative day, a negative week, a negative month, a bad month, which I had in January. Technically, no payout in January. I had payout in December. I had payout in November. You can check my video about my payouts from TOPSTEP. It wasn't too much, but yeah. So it's fluctuating, guys. And if I want to dedicate myself to this whole thing, I'm definitely doing the affiliations, digital content, which I can sell, of course, but I want to provide help and information as much as I can. And this is a job for me. I take it as a serious business. So it's not just video gaming for me. I'm really trying. I dedicated everything to this. Anyway. Everyone has to be. Yeah. The thing with Kemi, he is good, but he's more of a YouTuber, not a trader, as much as he's doing a business startup. Yeah, so he's doing business. Yeah. Yeah, just depending on trading is not easy. 100%, yeah. He's doing online digital content, online digital stuff, and he never denied it that he's making way more money from that than from trading, which is perfectly fine. It's great. It's superb. On the other hand, right now, at this time, today, in my position, my best way to make a decent amount of money is from trading. But I'm also doing what I can to, you know, stretch out my revenue streams if I can a little bit. So I try to provide value in exchange, because that's what matters the most. If I can provide some value in exchange, you know. So that's why we have the Discord for $10 a month. That's why I have the entry model with indicators, educational material, lifetime access to Discord, and other stuff as well. That's why I'm doing the affiliate links, and I'm very, very greatly appreciative and grateful for everyone who is using my link and code. So why should I deny it? That's the truth, guys. Anyway, I was talking too much about this, so let's skip this topic. Let's skip it. Let's skip it. I want to learn and earn from trading, not YouTubing, yeah. But hey, yeah, everyone, yeah. Tom, you and Methodical Man are the best, man. No need anywhere. Yeah, I'm really grateful for you for saying that. But you know, my trade thinks otherwise. Oh my God, what a roller coaster right now Nasdaq is. Let's check the. Oh, I should have taken the Russell. I had a signal on the Russell too, but because it's Friday, I wasn't sure. Like I was, no, I better not take it, so I didn't. And yeah, I should have taken it. I should have taken the Russell, but I didn't. But anyway, be proud of yourself, Tom. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Kidnesh. You guys keep it up. If you really want this to work out, Tom, then you... I'm putting everything in, guys. I put my whole life on this. I put my whole life to this. Of course, I have contingency plan if everything goes upside down, but I don't really want to go back to a 9-to-5 job. You know, it's I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but I sacrificed so much things, money, time, energy, friendships, relationships. I really sacrificed a lot of things to be able to do this. And of course, if I have to, I go back to a 9-to-5 job, but then I won't be able to do the YouTube streams. I won't be able to trade that much or as the way I like to. I have to stand on my feet somehow, guys. And that's why if anyone uses my links and affiliate promotions, that always adds a few dollars to the tip jar. And I really appreciate that because, for example, last month I was able to pay my bills for electricity and water, internet, stuff like that, from the money I got for the affiliate. Last month I made $100 from Apex affiliates, which is basically nothing. I know, guys, it's nothing, but it was enough for me to pay out some bills. And it was a great appreciation from you guys and the great encouragement for myself that, okay, this can work out if I dedicate myself more and more and help out and provide information and value to you guys. Maybe it can slowly help me out in the progress. So again, if anyone using the codes and my link, is very important to use the link too, I would be greatly appreciative. Thank you so much. We all get bad trades. Absolutely. I feel the same. I'll make sure to use it. Thank you so much, Tom. Thank you so much, Nas the Dragon. So that's why I'm always saying affiliate links are putting a few dollars to the tip jar for me, and whichever company or prop firms you choose, and it's helping me out to some living expenses, you know, and it's a really good thing. And I'm not the Lambo Guru trader yet, guys. I'll try to be there. Maybe not this year, but this year I feel it that there's going to be some great achievements. Trust me, guys. I think we're going to achieve some great things together. I think it's going to be awesome. By the way, the longest trade which I entered was 2 hours this week, and now we are at we are over 90 minutes now. Sorry, yeah, no, 96 minutes was the longest trade this week for me, and now we are at 90 minutes. So guys, this trade is like, wow. I didn't know if I will be able to hold on to trades like this long, but I guess it's part of the trading journey. Anyway, I was fortunate enough to get some help from guys like Methodical Man, and did some research. I'm I'm not a good YouTuber. I try to edit some videos, but you know. Remember, guys, our good friend Colonel Sanders from KFC started his business. Yeah, when he was in his 80s, his car. Yeah, of course. That's a very good one. That's a very good one, Kid Nash. I like that. I like that analogy. I like that. So push the like button and subscribe. This trade is not the thing I was looking for. I wish I would have taken the Russell. I had an entry here on the MetaTrader, but I would be in TP2 by now. But yeah, if I check the 5-minute for this trade, we had the fair value gap here. We tapped into that. I don't know what it wants to do, but we had no retest so far. We have previous day high. Oh, we have buy side above 18,121, and we have the Starship Enterprise as well. It's really in deep space, and we have the same situation with ES, all-time high 5108. So yeah. Yeah. This is trading, guys. You just sit around and wait. This is what it's all about. By the way, I'm gonna do a YouTube video. I just realized something after years and months of streaming with the help of TradingView, that actually this tool which I'm using right here, how I was searching for all kind of tools to help me with risk management. That is, it was always in front of me, you know. I just didn't care about it because this tool helps me to choose the exact amount of micros or position size. So this is the best and most simple risk manager tool in TradingView. And because I received messages, also emails, that how do I calculate risk? I think this is the most simple way to do it with this one. Well, seems like the 5-minute fair value gap is still holding, but I don't know for how long. It might just pop higher, and we cannot do anything about that. And I don't have any other entry. Let me check. Yeah, it's a Friday. It's a Friday. It still feels bullish, so I might be offside here. Guys. We're still in the silver bullet hour, but unfortunately I think I might be offside, which is a bad thing, but you know, what can we do? I think it's gonna have a hard time. It might want to pop higher. Wouldn't be surprised to go for the 121 level. It's actually less than 100 points away, so if we do, then you go for it, right? But it would be so simple for it to just test the 18k level and then we would go on with our day. I know, it's boring. It's like watching paint dry right now. Getting to the point sometimes where you just want to end it all and be out of your misery, but you know. We don't have any news today, but let me check it. Do we have any news? No, we don't have news, that's for sure. Yeah, no news. We have Euro, what is that? German IFO Business Climate. Oh, that's a conference or whatever. Okay, who cares? Nobody cares about that. And what else do we have? ECB Holzman. I don't see circumstances for the ECB to cut before the Fed. All right. We're gonna interpret that sentence next week. Okay. Let me know what you guys are doing or up to or looking for or whatever. Because right now I don't know what the heck is going on. Okay. Oh, guys. This is this is just, you know, this is trading. So I'm in this position since almost, I mean, let's see. I entered 206. Oh yeah, nice. 100 minutes, almost 100 minutes in this trade. So we're making a new record this week. The record was 96 minutes for the longest trade this week so far. So this is a new record. For a few moments it looked like it wants to go for that, for the low, but then it didn't. So the Apex sale is going on until Saturday, I think, and you can also pass the accounts in 1 day, including today. But anyway, grab it, and if you blow the account, I would say, because the second month is still going to have an 80% discount, I would say you can keep the subscription, because if you get rebuild, you can still have the 80% discount for the account. That's what I did. I also blow my first account at My Funded Futures. I paid $50 for my first starter account, and I didn't cancel the subscription because the next month I get the same $50 reset, technically a $50 reset with the new subscription. With the same subscription, and it was a good deal. You have to think outside the box, you know. Come on. Come on. Gold? I tried gold many times. By the way, hey there. Lina said it's nice to see you. I tried gold many times last year. I'm willing to think about gold, by the way, but there's one thing that I made many calculations about risk and how much risk I can take on my evaluation or funded account. And one problem is that many prop firms, including TOPSTEP as well, or for example My Funded Futures or whatever, they don't let you trade gold micro. I cannot trade gold micro. So what I trade is mini contracts with gold. And if I take one contract on gold futures, that's too much risk. That's just too much for my stop losses. So I cannot trade micros. That's one problem. The second problem is that gold is very heavily manipulated by politics and, you know, everything. Everything is so much, but still, I don't know what I should do. I'm still interested in trading gold, but only with micros. And the main thing is that I don't want to trade more than 2 instruments on any given account. And most likely I want to narrow it down to one instrument, which my favorite, as you guys know of, is the Nasdaq. Not that I think that other markets are bad. I think every market has its own you know, advantage and their own phase, but I got so used to Nasdaq in the past few months. It's really true what they say, like if you get used to a market, you get to feel how it moves, you get to sense how it behaves, how it works, where it wants to go, which levels it might want to take out. And I have this I have this connection with Nasdaq as well. It's all chart time. So and I say this for beginners as well, if somebody is new to trading. Chart time, I mean, not everything is depending on chart time, but chart time is going to give you a little bit of extra feeling, that what's the word for it, intuition, that extra intuition, that extra connection to your market, that you see your edge play out, you see your system, and you also have maybe a confirmation from your intuition, your connection with the market, because you saw the same pattern forming every single day or every single week. And that also comes into the picture after a certain amount of time. That's going to be experience, which is priceless. So chart time is good. Chart time is absolutely good. It's going to help you out. It's going to build intuition. And from gold, I don't have any kind of intuition or feeling right now. So it would be an absolutely I don't know. It would be absolutely thank you. Thank you, Lina. So it would be for me a little bit strange to trade gold, but if prop firms would let me trade gold, I would do it. But which I'm hoping for, I'm really hoping for, that prop firms are going to add, hopefully, the DEX futures, because I'm in Europe, I'm in Hungary. I would like to trade the DEX because it has enough volatility in the morning. It moves nicely, but I cannot trade it with prop firms. Somebody said that I can trade it with Apex. I haven't tried it. If I subscribe to the EuroX data, then I can trade it. I haven't checked it since then, but it's only at Apex. But since I'm copy trading the accounts with my funded futures and BULENOX, I wish I could trade it all the way across the board. But DEX would be something I would be looking into in the London session. That would be really interesting to me, to trade the DEX. I would love that. This trade is really stretching us out, right? Please, guys, by the way, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. We're getting close to 1K, guys. It's awesome. I'm looking forward. We're going to make a 24-hour stream. Okay, how about that? I'm going to make a 24-hour trading stream. If we reach the 1K subscribers. But God forbid I don't want some bot subscribers or something. But if we reach that level, we're gonna 24-hour stream, no hot tub, no lap dancing or anything like that from my side, but it's gonna be great. You know, back in the days, it was like, oh my God, time flies. It was 6 years ago, I think. I was streaming on Twitch. I was gaming. I always like to stream because I like to talk with people online. And I was streaming. I did a 24-hour stream. I think we were streaming PUBG, and it was new back then. And then PUBG and Counter-Strike. I don't know. But it was great. I enjoyed it really much. 24-hour gaming stream, wow. That was crazy. It wasn't really that long ago, but 6 years is 6 years. You know, what can I say? Time flies. Like, nowadays, 2 or 3 years is just like this. It goes. I don't even remember. I mean, I had so many things going on during the pandemic. And the pandemic was like, what, like 3 years ago, 4 years ago, 1999 to 2020. Sorry, 2019 2020. It was like yesterday. 3 or 4 years passed like like nothing. Like it was a few months maximum. It was so fast. But anyway, yeah. I trade for Forex sometimes follow. Oh yeah, you follow Roger Banks. Oh, okay. Yeah, Roger Banks, I see he trades only gold nowadays. He was trading GJ. I'm not sure if he's still trading GJ. For me, it's interesting. Antonio, hey there. Let's give an applause, guys, for Antonio. Antonio, you deserve the applause as a new viewer. Hi. What EMA is red line? Antonio, thank you so much for joining. Please subscribe and hit the like button, guys. Antonio, welcome. It's the red line is, I'm gonna show you, it's an exponential moving average. What the? It's 180, and the steeper one is 34. But I used to play with these numbers. I know everybody favors the 200. I go with the 180 and the 34. But it's not a final. I'm going to show you something here. It's a replication of what I use from my custom MetaTrader indicators, because this is the one that I'm basing my trades on. This is a custom programmed EMA and a custom programmed RSI down here. So what I use on TradingView is basically just kind of a replication. But this is the indicator system which I'm also using in conjunction with Smart Money Concepts for my entries. And if you're curious about it, go to pip.ninja. Watch my video there and I will explain it why. Yeah. And you're welcome. I hope I can provide some value with my streams. I try to. I really do. So, thank you so much, Antonio. So down here, this RSI is the Lux Algo Ultimate RSI. Lux Algo Ultimate RSI is free on TradingView. These are the closest I could find next to my MetaTrader custom ones. But I have my criteria, I have my entry model, everything that has to line up to enter a trade. And usually I have a 50 to 53% win ratio with a 1 to 2 risk to reward, which is very good. But I have to prepare myself that every second trade I take is going to be a loss. And this week, all my trades, the first trades were almost every first trade was a loss. So I'm really hoping to break that cycle. I want to break that cycle. So what about Roger Banks nowadays? I think he's streaming every day, I think, as well. I'm a little controversial about Roger Banks, but he's definitely a very smart guy. I'm not sure about his trading style, but he's very, very, very smart. I give it that. So I give it that. He's smart, but I don't want to say anything like hold on, I have to modify something here. All right, so okay. Not every day. Okay. I used to see him pop up in YouTube, like he's live. He was doing a lot of streaming. I think he's moving onto other businesses as well nowadays, to real estate, I think he's in Dubai making real estate deals all over the world, I think. Honestly, if I were him, I would do the same. If I would be having the connections and the money like he has, I would not be day trading at all on YouTube. Sorry to tell you guys, but if I would be having that kind of resources like he has, why would I be streaming? Well, maybe for the hobby, yeah, maybe for the fun. Few times streaming, that's not a bad thing to you know, build your brand, but I would be doing the same. I would be moving into real estate heavily, real estate deals all around. So if I would be making, for example, I'm saying a big number, for example, 50K per month or whatever, multiple 10Ks per month from trading, I would be channeling majority of that money into real estate. I would be buying small apartments for rentals or stuff like that, you know, places I can rent, real estate I can rent basically. I would be channeling 80% of my income to real estate. And after some time, you know, my income is definitely going to be changing. My real estates would be outweighing my my trading for sure. I will get one account with Apex for my son today. You already have 5. Nice, Antonio. Nice, nice, nice. You know the code. You have to use the link too, by the way. You have to use the link. You have to use the link. Apex has a very cheap upfront deal. So, yeah. Very cheap upfront deal. That's why I love Apex, and I think very good customer service. They're in the business for long. Everything checks out with them. But I don't have huge problem. I would love to say more about TOPSTEP because I love TOPSTEP too. I have funded account with TOPSTEP, but it's so annoying that they still haven't worked out that I could trade with more than 2 or 3 micros. That disturbs me a little bit. So, but if you're a brand new customer with TOPSTEP, you can get a 20% discount if you use my link down there. You just have to register through my link as a brand new customer, and you get 20% discount from your first account, which is a very good deal, especially if you buy a 150K account. So, yeah. And also, my funded futures, guys, if you register through my link, you get a 24% discount for your first starter account, which is also a very good deal, especially because they have no activation fee on the starter, I think, until the end of February. But only on the starter accounts. But the best upfront deal is with Apex. Apex has the best upfront deal right now. BULENOX is good as well, but they have a much stricter payout policy, which I don't mind. But the payouts are a little bit more restricted with BULENOX. Okay. Let me know what's happening. Let me know what you guys doing. If you have any questions, just don't afraid to ask it, you know. So, what else do we have? Now it's backing up again. Why is it doing that? Okay. Oh no, it's going up again. It is what it is. What else? What else? What else? Still waiting. This is definitely a long trade. I was hoping for a test of the 18,000 level, but I think it's gonna take some time. We might, I mean, this one might want to go and push higher again. We don't know that. The silver bullet hour is over. We still have the kill zone though. All right. It's definitely a game of patience. And it's not always rewarding. My god, I'm sitting in this trade for 2 hours. Is it really 2 hours? 206, 306. Oh yeah, it's 2 hours. Absolute record amount of time for holding a trade, especially in the London session. Okay. It should be deciding what it wants to do. Retest or no retest. Let's see.
Like high frequency scalping there.
I'm just watching Methodical Man stream.
I felt like when I entered the trade,
Okay. Let's see.
this seems better. So you want this gap to be broken, though. You want this to inverse if we're going to continue lower here. I hear you over there, Tom. Tom's in the short. 15 seconds fast.
I had to.
18. Nice job, Hustler. Nice job.
I had to. Yeah.
For
Nice.
the viewers. Oh, come on, Tom. You went from like 14 to 10. 43
Yeah.
43.
All
I
right.
mean, this is a decent pool of liquidity here. We do have equal highs above as well.
Okay,
Tom's
he
mentioned
has
earlier,
liquidity.
like,
Okay, whatever.
I don't love any
What's
shorts
he
of equal
doing
highs
there?
above, but you know,
A lot of lines over there.
sometimes the further you move away from them, they don't
I have
do
no
so much.
idea what strategy he's
But if you're still short, you want this gap to
No, I
inverse.
think he's doing great. He has fair value gaps there. Okay, all right, he's great. Don't worry, I'm going away.
I'm not doing anything, Tom. I'm not in a trade.
All right, all right, all right. I'm shutting
Just
up.
marking out this gap that here that was inversed. So
Okay,
just marking
I'm putting down the
it's
volume.
not
All right.
E. Let me clean it up for you, Tom. Let me clean it up. Tom's confused.
Oh, it's so many lines. He has a lot of lines there. What? I don't know what he does there. I cannot. You know,
I know why YouTube
boxes, lines. You know, he has lines and boxes everywhere. I don't know what he does.
Getting commercials shouldn't be. Do I have them turned on accident? I don't have them turned on, but maybe.
Yeah, do the commercial. All right. I'm going back to my.
Tell if they're turned
I'm
on.
going back to my
They
hole.
are.
Cool, cool. Kid Nash, yeah, the Apex sale is gonna end, I think, on Saturday or Sunday. I'm not sure. I think Saturday. I bet if I buy it after 1 hour, it will be free. Yeah, maybe, I don't know. Where am I from? I'm from Europe, Hungary. Not Budapest, but the capital is Budapest, so Hungary. Despite our politicians, we are good people. So, don't believe everything you hear. Hungarians are good people, good nation. Politicians are crooks, but you know. So I think it's going until Saturday, but I'm gonna check the email because I'm curious too. I received an email from affiliates, Apex affiliates. Where is it? Come on. 90%. Okay, so it's 1 day pass. It lasts until 25th. So Sunday night Eastern Standard Time. Let me put it here. This is the end of the sale. At least that's what they wrote me. And after Monday, 26th, 27th, there's gonna be an 80% sale from Monday. From Monday is gonna be 80% until Sunday night is gonna be 90%, as much as I understand. Police on their cars. Oh yeah, yeah. You want me to say it out loud? Rendőrség. That's police. Rendőrség. You would never know what, you know, for example, the trunk of a car, you know, the trunk, you know, trunk lid, you know, or trunk, you know. What do you think Hungarians say for trunk? You would be amazed how we say trunk. It's a very long word. It says csomagtartó or csomagtartó fedél. That's the trunk. The trunk is pronounced csomagtartó fedél. Just a simple word, trunk. Csomagtartó fedél. So, yeah. Csomagtartó fedél. Alright, they don't really say the last part of it, but still, it's too long. America, they say trunk. Hungary says csomagtartó fedél. That's crazy. Say exit on highway, also on a weird word. Okay, I'm gonna say exit on highway. Autópálya kijárat. Almost like autobahn, you know? We say autópálya kijárat. Or I can say kijárat az autópályához. Or no, kijárat az autópályáról. It's better. I think it's the, you know, there's a saying, ethics entropy. There's a saying. The Pope said, he was in Hungary, the Pope, and he was saying with the welcome in Hungarian, and they said, "Oh, Your Honor, you can speak Hungarian." Oh no, I mean, you know, in heaven everybody speaks Hungarian. They said, "Why?" Because it takes an eternity to learn it, you know. Come on, drums. In heaven, everybody speaks Hungarian because it takes an eternity to learn it. That's what I meant. It's difficult for sure. It's difficult. Yeah. Game over. Game over. You say, yeah. Game over is like vége a játéknak. So you say game over in Hungarian, vége a játéknak. I know. What can I do? You know. Maybe Russian you say like pizdzec, but in Hungarian, vége a játéknak. I don't know. Just let me know, guys. I can give you guys lectures from Hungarian anytime. It's fun. It's fun, actually, to pass the time while we trade. Oh, guys, we're stuck here. I don't know what it wants to do, but we're definitely stuck. I tell you this. If, and that's a big if I can win this trade, I don't know, I'm not taking more trades for today. I'm taking the day off. But if not, I'm gonna be sticking here until 4 p.m. You're close. Oh, man. This trade is the longest trade for the week. And yeah. Come on. I said this is really watching paint dry. This is watching paint dry. What else can we do? What else can we do? All right. Getting ready to. So, by the way, I deliberately did not wanted to take Russell trades today, although I should have, because we had some good entries on the Russell. Look at that. If I would have entered there or there. I don't know where the Russell wants to go, really. I think it might try to make some new low, go down to the 2000 if someone is trading that. We have Starship Enterprise, much better indicator that Methodical Man has over there. And so I'm just cool. I'm a cool person. I use Starship Enterprise, and that's why I'm cool. So who else has this? Nobody, right? You want to see unique content? Come to my stream and see the Starship Enterprise. That's how I roll. All right. There. I'm gonna put it there. Captain Kirk. Actually, I liked Jean-Luc Picard too, but Captain Kirk is my hero. I know the Next Generation Star Trek was a little bit different, but I still like it. The original series is my favorite. I'm a retro guy, so. Oh no, still not going for that low. I thought that it's gonna, but it's not. What is happening? I don't know what's going on anymore. I don't know what's going on anymore. Let me adjust my take profit. 0525. Is it really there? 0525. 0525. Oh, that was my stop. All right. I thought that it was on the wrong place. Okay. Oh, come on, baby. Just let's go. Come on, Barbie. Let's go party. Come on. Come on, Barbie. Let's go party. Ha, 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 yeah. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Woo. Come on. Go, go down, go. Go. Go down, go down. Go. Go on! Go on! Please! Yes! Woo! Made it! Finally! This trade was the record of the whole freaking day. Oh my god. Oh, I can delete my stops now. Oh, damn it. Alright. Alright, alright. Finally. On a Friday. Come on, man. On a Friday. Finally, finally. I really needed this. Guys, I needed to break the curse. I needed to break the curse, so I deserve more applause. Come on. Yeah. 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 What a trade. What a trade. I really needed this one. Thank you, Methodical Man. I'm actually done for today. Officially, I'm gonna come back to stream in New York. I'm gonna play around with the demo account, or I'm gonna do something. But But I am officially done for Friday. It was a 2-hour trade. Why should I risk 2R in the rest of the day? You know, it's Friday. I am perfectly fine. I'm gonna come back and stream in New York, but you know, this trade was, if you're curious how I did that, go to pip.ninja and you know take my course, $49, you know. But really, this was, I'm not going to give my profit back to the market. I suffered enough yesterday. I suffered enough. I'm not going to give my profit back to the market. I want to sleep good on Saturday morning. So, but I'm gonna playing with the practice account or with the demo account, and we're gonna be playing out some entry models in the New York session as well. But man, oh man. You are the GOAT. Thank you. Thank you. Well, you know, at this point, I don't think I was the GOAT. I think at this point, I was sweating a little bit. But, you know, we had the Starship Enterprise special indicator. Help me out. No. And, yeah. Man, this I was skeptical here. I said, oh my god, it's gonna be one of those days again. I'm gonna be sitting here until the end of the PM session, and that now I'm not. Finally a Friday that I can take off. I am not giving back a single dollar to the market. No. I'm fine. I am completely fine. I am not giving back a single freaking profit. No, market, no. I am not doing that. Apex account is over 51k. Yes. All right. My funded futures account technically almost at 51k. Nice. We're moving up, guys. We're moving up. I'm not giving back. I'm not giving back. No, not on Friday. No. Thank you. And now comes the cut, like a little while later. I'm in drawdown. No, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. I am not doing that. Damn it. Please, if you like what you see, subscribe to the channel. Drop a like. 1.5 hour bullshit. This was the longest trade for the week for me. It was 2 hours and 20 minutes. So 140 minutes. This is the record trade for the week. I was holding this freaking trade for 140 minutes. Damn it. Yeah. For 2R. No, not taking partials or anything. But I already messed my psychology up because I'm too excited. So I'm not going to take more trades. Definitely not taking more trades. I'm going to go to Methodical Man's stream later on, and I'm going to get myself banned. That's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to do. That's my plan today. All right, guys, I'm gonna eat something. I'm gonna take a walk. I have to wash my car. Go short now. Balls to the walls. No, I'm not going short. I'm not going short there. Oh man. Anyway, it is what it is. Okay, I think this is it for me. I really enjoyed it. Thanks for the company, and thanks for being spending more time with Methodical Man than with me. But still, it was a good one, and it was great. And see you guys in the New York session. Please drop a like, subscribe to the channel. Almost at one guys, Joey, come on. Past your 150k top step. There you go. Give him a cookie. All right. Joey, thank you for being here, and thank you for everyone for being here and by pushing the likes and everything. You guys are great. Special thanks to Methodical Man for stealing my thunder, and you know, go check him out. He's still streaming. I think he's a cool guy. I like him. He's great. So big respect, and see you guys in the New York session. We're gonna fool around a bit. All right, no hot tub though. All right, see you guys, and thank you for watching.